Hello guys, today we're gonna make a booklet in MS Publisher. So type here, Publisher, you open it, then you press more blank pages, then scroll down until you see booklets, this one. Then select the 1/2 A4 booklet. You can press create or double click this one. Then it will say automatically insert pages, then you say yes. So now we have a booklet, but it only has 4 pages. So we have to right click the 4th page, press insert, and then there will be new pages, like 4 new pages. Then press OK. So now we have 8 pages. But what we need is we need pages. So press insert, page number, then press bottom right. Now we have pages. All of them have pages. But we don't want to have a page in page number 1. So press this again and then it will say show page number on first page, then click that will disappear. So now we have this. We can add the word, text box, then you can write booklet. You can make it bigger. Then that we can add a new picture. You can add this one. Press Ctrl V. Then we can make it smaller. So now we have this. Now we can go to the second page. So if you want a table for like a chart, you can press table. You can press how many you want. But if you print it, you can't see it. So you do like this. Right click on the box, then press format table. Then you press this. Then you can put a color if you want to. Oh wait, I forgot. Then you can also move it. You can move it. So you can put anything you want. So now at this page, we can put we can put any image you want to, press Ctrl V, then it will come. Now we have this. Then we can save it. Press File, Save. Then we can change the name. Like booklet. Then you go like there. We can save it. Now we can add a new text here if we want to. Text. Story about. You can put anything here. We can make it bigger. There you go. Then you can change the font. This one. And after that, we only have one more page to go. Then we can like put something, anything. I can put a text here, like to put anything here. So now you can highlight the text, change it, yeah, change the font. You can make it to this one makes sense. So we can add like a smiley. So press insert and press clip art, smiley, then it'll search for like pictures. So we can add this, we can make it smaller. Now, wait, yeah, like this. So now we have to save it. Press this little thing, you press it, then press file, then press save as. Then if you see this, go to PDF. Now you can still change it if you want to. Press save. Now we saved it. Now we're done, guys. Bye. See you next time.